Hi, my name is Richard Davey, General Manager of the MBTA Commuter Rail. Whether you ride our trains daily or just occasionally, you may have noticed that our boarding procedures have changed recently. Maybe you've heard a conductor announcement, seen a poster, or an email regarding these new rules. These changes in operating procedures require that trains can no longer depart from a station until all exterior doors are closed. This is a common practice on passenger railroads across the country, and we began instituting this change on our railroad on February 1st, 2010. This new procedure initially took effect on all trains operated on the Fairmont, Greenbush, Middleborough, and Kingston lines, and on all off-peak trains on all other lines. We expect to gradually roll out this closed-door procedure on all lines and all trains by the end of this year.
Hi, my name is Jen, MBCR conductor. When boarding off-peak trains at North or South stations scheduled to depart before 4 p.m. or after 8 p.m., passengers will be directed to board at the outer end of the stations, meaning through the coaches closest to the locomotives. This will allow a more efficient way to board the trains and allow crew members to keep all train doors closed as required. Why are these changes being made in boarding procedures? The answer is, most importantly, these changes will improve the level of customer safety. By having a set number of doors in use on the train, crews can ensure that passengers board and exit the train in a safe manner. This also will prevent customers from boarding or exiting a moving train. Please allow plenty of time to board your train at the appropriate door, as the closest door may not always be available to you. Please don't run alongside or chase a moving train, as this is very dangerous. Once the conductor gives the engineer the motion to go, passengers will not be allowed to board the train. So remember that the time in the schedule is the time that the wheels start to turn. Please arrive at the station at least 5 minutes before the scheduled departure time to locate your platform and board your train safely. Once on board the train, prepare to exit the train in plenty of time by listening to the announcements for the next stop so you can locate the nearest attended door. Never exit a moving train. Your cooperation is important so that your safety and overall on-time performance is not compromised.
Hi, my name is Joey, an MBCR locomotive engineer. Another boarding change that has been put into effect as of January 11, 2010 is that passengers will no longer be allowed to enter or exit from the operating end of the train, except in the case of emergency. This is so locomotive engineer may operate your train safely. On arrival into Boston, there are mandatory safety duties for engineers that do not permit foot traffic through this area. Signs have been placed on certain car doors to remind passengers of these restrictions. Please exit only through a door that is attended by a crew member.
Your safety is the Federal Railroad Administration's highest priority. I have a very simple message. Never ever get on or off a moving train, and never open exterior doors or traps unless it's an emergency. We want you to arrive at your destination safely.
Getting you to your destination safely and on time is our most important job. So we appreciate your cooperation in following these new boarding procedures. And as always, thank you for riding commuter rail.